Last night naman to.
You know, this has been a journey for both of us.
Yes.
First of all, we just want to say thank you again to everyone who laughed with us, who sang with us, and hopefully, umalis po kayo ng Araneta with a happy heart.
Yes.
Yes.
This is a different concert.
Yes.
Diba? Isang komedyante at isang diva nag-collaborate at sinuportahan nyo. At sana yung hinahanap nyo ma-experience tonight na ibigay namin sa inyo, yung laughter and music.
Yes.
At nakikita ko yung mga reaction nyo, tumatawa kayo, naririnig ko yung sigaw nyo kay Regine tuwing kumakanta siya. Alam kong siguro hindi man 100%, at least 95% napasaya namin kayo. Alam kong masaya kayo, pero wala pong makakapantay sa kasayahan na nararamdaman ko ngayon. I am very sure I am the happiest individual here in Araneta right at this very moment.
Thank you.
Why? Because this is the realization of my greatest dream, to be with my idol, Regine Velasquez. As I said earlier, nandiyan ako sa taas. Nandiyan ako, kahit ang liit-liit mo lang sa paningin ko dahil ang layo ko, damang-dama kita at yakap na yakap kita. At ngayon, pinahintulutan mo kong mas makalapit pa sa iyo at makasama ka. I am just so blessed to be here with you tonight.
Thank you.
Salamat. This is a dream come true. Dreams really do come true. Ang bait ng Diyos, yung mga bituin na tinitingala natin, mahahawakan natin sila. Lalo't lalo pa kung yung bituin, nag-e-extend ng hand para mahawakan sila. Katulad mo, yun ang ginawa mo sa akin.
Dreams do come true. Gaya ko po, ang aking pong buhay na yun nagsimula lang din sa isang pangarap. You know, it's wonderful how God works. He created all of us differently. He created us all in a very unique way. And sa panahon ngayon, nakakatuwa na accepted na ang lahat. Kumbaga, ang lagi nilang sinasabi, love wins. And we should encourage everyone to continue
Love
to
each
have
other.
that kind of ano tawag dyan? Outlook in life. Love everyone. Love your neighbors. Kahit hindi nyo kakilala, minsan kagalit pa. Because yan ang purpose natin sa mundo.
Let's love our differences.
Love one another.
Yes. Kaya naman, sa pagmamahal na pinaramdam mo sa akin, yung pangarap ko, nagkatotoo. At ngayon, patuloy pa rin kitang mamahalin.
Thank you.
Patuloy kitang mamahalin dahil ikaw yung pinakamalaking pangarap ko na binigay sa akin ng Diyos. Hanggang ngayon, pinanghahawakan ko. Itong gabi, ibang karanasan to. May panibago na naman akong panghahawakan na galing sa'yo. Thank you so much for making this dream come true. I love you.
Thank you for having me here also.
Thank you so much everyone for
Thank
witnessing
you.
this dream come true. I
Thank
love you.
I close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the dawn, through when no one's been before, but it feels like home.
They can say you sound so crazy. They can say you lost my mind. I don't care if they call me crazy. we can live in a world that we deserve.
Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake.
Look at me, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. But there's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. The special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day.
They can say those sounds
They can say those sounds crazy.
They can say that we lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. What else do we decide?
The brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams that's keeping me awake. I think about the world could be a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
However big, however small, let me be part of the world. Share your dreams with me.
We may be right, we may be wrong, but I wanna bring you along to the world I see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake.
I think of what the world can be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams.
A million dreams, a million dreams. For the world we're gonna be. I love you, my love people. Thank you very much.
Once again, Vice Ganda!
And Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid.
Good night, everyone!